guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheetal and in today's video I'll be doing a review for this Kryolan Supracolor foundation palette, and also I'll be doing a demo for this. So guys, before I could start my video, I just want to tell you that this palette is used in a multiple ways. So today in this video I'll show you how you can use this palette as a foundation, concealer, contouring, highlighter, and also you can color correct your under eye circles and pigmentation just by using this one single palette. So guys, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon for the notification. In this way you will not miss any of my videos. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
Kryolan Supracolor is one of the best professional makeup brands available in India, and also it's used by so many celebrities and makeup artists. First, I'll talk about the packaging. The packaging of this product, it comes in a blue cardboard box, and all the product information is been mentioned in the box itself. The price of the 12 shades palette is 2500 rupees, and the packaging of this product is 07/2017, and it should be used before 2021. So this product can be used for 4 years. In this 12 shades palettes you get different shades. So today I've got this 1004 FS palette. Overall net weight of this product is 40 ml, and which is a pretty good thing. Next we'll move on to the inner packaging of this palette. The palette reminds me of a school days where we used to carry a geometry box. It looks exactly like that. So I absolutely love the dark blue color of this palette. The packaging looks very travel friendly. You can just slip it on your bag and you can carry this palette wherever you want. Now moving on to the shades, this palette comes with 12 shades which can be used on light, medium and dark skin tone. If you don't want to buy this such a big palette, you can go for 6 shades palette as well. The price of the 6 shades palette is just 1200 rupees, or you can also simply buy a one single shade because they retail the single foundations too, and the single shades will cost you around 400 to 500 rupees in the retail store. Once the product gets over, you can also remove the pot from the palette and replace the small pots with the single shades. It's a very good thing because you don't have to buy a 12 shades palette again. Simply you can buy a single shade and replace the pot. Next, moving on to the texture, I will just take this dark shade from this palette. I'll just apply a little on my hand. As you can see that the texture of this product is super creamy and it glides onto my skin very easily. Next, moving on to a demo, I'll be taking FS26 shade from the palette and I'll be using this as a color corrector. I'll take little on my finger and I'll apply under my eyes to cover my dark circles. You can also cover your pigmentations, pimple marks just by using this orange corrector from the palette. Now I'll take a beauty blender and I'll just blend this in a dabbing motion. The formula of this cream foundation is oil based and it's really easy to blend, and also it glides onto your skin very easily. Next I'll be using FS45 shade and I'll be using this as a foundation. I'll apply this all over my face and I'll take a beauty blender and I'll blend this out. This foundation works really well on oily skin as well as a dry skin. Oily skin people will love this foundation because once it's applied, it easily glides onto the skin, and even the dry skin people can use this foundation by using a very good moisturizer and also a primer. Next, I'll be taking this NG1 shade from the palette and I'll be using this as a contouring. To highlight my face, I'll be taking FS22 shade from the palette. This palette provides a medium to full coverage, and a little product is more than enough to apply on your face. This foundation stays at least 6 to 8 hours without any primer and doesn't even crack on your face or it becomes patchy on your face. This product is super affordable for amazing varieties of colors available in one palette. Overall, I'm in love with this brand and this palette. I will definitely recommend for people who are makeup artists, people who work for television industry, and also you can add this palette for your bridal kit. So trust me guys, you won't regret buying this palette. People who are not a makeup artist, they can definitely go for 6 shades palette, or you can also go for a single shade. One thing I just want to tell you that this product is not available very easily. It is very difficult to find the product online. You have to visit the store to buy this. One way it's a good thing, because if you're buying this product for the first time, it's very easy for you to find the exact shades in the store. Overall, I'm very happy with this product and hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much guys, and keep supporting me in this way.